Up for sale, 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 Plymouth Roadrunner convertible. I got a lot of information on it that I'm going to talk about throughout the video. And so between condition and information, I'll be talking probably the whole time. It is a 2-owner, 40,500 original mile build sheet, warranty plan, original manual, original plates car. It's one of 1880 69 Roadrunner convertibles, finished in correct colors. It's a 1 repaint, low mile, all number matching drivetrain, which is the 383, 335 horsepower, the heavy duty automatic transmission. You have power steering, power convertible top. Tons of original parts on the car, all the chrome, glass, trim. The interior is entirely original and actually very nice condition. Original top boot. I actually was told that the tires are original. I mean, I don't know if that's the case, but they're the bias ply Goodyears with the white letters on there. And again, tons of information. I'm going to go through it. Fender tags on the car, of course, and walk around, point out flaws, fire it up, and then drive it. So here we go. Start out here on the front. See, they might be the original tires. You see a little bit of drying in there. I just want to be transparent with that, of course. The guy told me they might be original. Again, if they are original, I wanted to keep them with the car. It's got the original trunk mat in it. Again, the interior is entirely original. So, you know, one of those very original, unmolested, you know, not mess around with cars. Anyway, front bumper is entirely original. You see a little bit of smokiness on there, and it's actually not too bad. All the trim, the grille, that's all original on the car. This is the way it was ordered with the factory black hood, that flat black kind of a style. Nice hood fitment on it. So I'll pop the engine real quick. There's a couple, cool things I want to show you. Well, for one, a really nice underhood. All original paint in here. Fender tag is in place. There's the 383, 335 horsepower number matching motor. Entirely original engine compartment here, all original paint. Tons of original components on it. And actually my mechanic pointed out that the carburetor, which is the 4-barrel, if you see right there, there's those plugs. You know, he says a lot of carburetors over time, they're pulled out, they're messed with. He says that's like an untouched original carb for the car. Very cool. And actually the tag is on it, I believe. Yeah, you kind of see the pink tag right there. So the original carb, engine, of course, transmission, rear, all number matching. Runs and drives real nice. Very, you know, runs straight down the road as it should. See a little scuff right there. Very straight body. And this looks like it might be original weather stripping here. It's not bad there, but a little older on that right side. VIN tag is in place, never been moved. Glass is excellent, and all the windows go up and down as they should. It is power top. I'm going to show you the top going up and down here. Little something on here, little stone chip or a little door rubbing chip, and another guy right there. And then I see a couple little miscellaneous marks around that Roadrunner emblem. Again, all this trim chrome glass, that's all original to the car. And again, the interior is entirely original, which is pretty cool to see. Interior is totally original. Handles, all the windows go up and down as they should. Seats are actually in excellent condition. There's no rips on them. Very little signs of wear for the front and the back. As for the dash, which actually is in excellent condition. Let me see here while I'm standing here. I got some information on the trim tag, which is the 383 335 horsepower heavy duty automatic. The light poly green, it's H2X, which is high vinyl bench seat black, X9, which is black interior door frames. It was built on August 26th, and the order number was 076094. Unknown top color, radio solid state, AM 2 watts, accent stripes, and quickly, let me just make sure I'm looking at everything here. And that is it. Again, the title shows the original miles on there when it was purchased from the gentleman in '88. Trying to think what else. And now it shows 40,500. And actually, forgot to do the top here. Well, I would show you this, but I had the original convertible top boot for the car. Lock it in. Okay, as it should. Another cool thing about the car, it's got the original convertible top on it, which actually it's more like a vinyl leather feeling to it. Excellent condition. It's got the glass back window, and the top, for being original, is excellent. I'll show you the windows going up now. See, there's that. There's that. And again, excellent condition, and the fitment with the convertible top is nice. Just throw this paper down there. Go to this side. Roll these up for you. Okay. Oof. As you were. I don't see too many chips and marks on the car. This back bumper here is actually in very nice condition. I see just a little bit of something there. Nice fitment. A little something right there. See, just like a small little mark on there. Ow. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you want to check it out, let me know. 69 Roadrunner. 2-owner, low mile, mostly original, 1 repaint, factory correct, all number matching. See, right here is what I was talking about, a little bit of that cracking in the weather stripping. So we'll fire it up now and then drive it. Thank you. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up now.